Well, hey there, welcome to my channel. Well, in today's video, what I thought I'd do is my 3 top reasons why I love to travel the world with just one bag. And recently, about 8-9 days ago, I put a video up on my one bag travel that I'm getting ready to do, heading over to Southeast Asia. In fact, there'll be Phuket, Thailand will be my home base for this adventure. And I currently have the bag right here on my back, which is the 40-liter GR2 GoRuck pack. And right now I have it down to about 12 kilos or what, 25-26 pounds, all ready to go, and I'll be taking off very, very soon. But today I thought I'd do a number of one of my many conditioning hikes over here at Torrey Pines here in La Jolla, California, which is down that way, which is south where I'm from. Now, the first reason I'd like to bring up is only travel with what you need. And it's very easy to get into that mindset where you need this, you need that, because most of the time, if you are missing something, you can get it at that destination. Now, if you're going to a place where it's very remote, and that's happened to me before during my contract days, I often go to places where there's nothing out there where I'm going. So I have to travel a little bit heavy, but if you're missing something, you can probably find it at that destination. But in order to eliminate items that you don't need, actually live out of that bag for, I would suggest, anywhere from a week at least. I start out at least 2 months out, which I have been doing. So my whole life is right here. All my possessions are right on my back. Everything I own, including my new sling bag that I'm using now, which I brought up in that video, which is very nice. Hugs you right here on the chest. Got the phone, wallet, keep my passport, valuable documents, and so forth. So live out of that bag and you'd be surprised how much stuff you'll eliminate. But the key point in doing that is always live out of it and jettison stuff you don't need. In other words, don't cheat wherever you're living at and not use your bag. And then you'll find out how much stuff you need, and then eliminate a lot of that unnecessary items you don't need to carry. So my number 2 reason is no check-in bag, and that is a huge stress off of any trip. You got everything right here on your back. And it's always a good feeling when you're going down to the airport and you don't have any bag to check in. It's all right with you. You don't have to think about when you get to that final destination that, oh, I wonder if my bag made it. Believe me, I've been through that before a few times years ago. You get there, the bag's not there, and then you got to go to that, you know, the help counter for that airline, and they got to track it, and they said, well, we think it's here, it'll be here, and then it just adds more stress to the trip that you don't even really need. So no check-in bag, and that's always a good feeling. Everything is on your back, or in a roller bag if you like going with that. I like backpacks myself. Well, the last reason I'd like to bring up is travel light, okay? And to me, that's really important. I don't like being super heavy with a lot of stuff. I mean, I guess it depends on what you're doing. I love to not have to think about a lot of stuff to drag around, you know, from hotel to hotel, or maybe I'm going on a bus, or, you know, a van, or maybe a car or something like that, and everything I have is right there on my back. And travel light, that's the way to go. I mean, I'll give you an example of that. On my last trip over to Thailand, I went over to Phi Phi Don Island, and you know, took the ferry over, and then from there, a few days later, I had to take a long-tail boat to another hotel on another island, so it's very easy. Just had my backpack, simple, light, and not a problem. So these are my 3 top reasons why I love to travel the world with just one bag. And if this helps you out at all, you know, please give it a thumbs up, because it really does help out my channel. And if you like this content, please consider subscribing to it. I'm looking forward to some really cool adventures coming up. And if you have any comments on anything related to this, please leave them below. I do answer all comments. So, see ya from beautiful Torrey Pines Beach here in San Diego, California. So, see ya.